Hi friend, welcome to the Company Law Adjudication and Appeal Series. Today we are discussing Mumbai ROC Adjudication Order for the violation of Section 10A of the Companies Act. Dear friend, as per Section 10A of the Companies Act, any company incorporated after commencement of the Companies Amendment Ordinance 2019 and having a share capital shall not commence any business or exercise any borrowing power unless a declaration filed by a director within a period of 180 days of the date of from the date of the incorporation in prescribed form and prescribed forum with the registrar of company that every subscriber to the memorandum has paid the value of the shares agreed to be taken by him on the date of making of such declaration. Dear friend, this adjudication order passed by the Mumbai ROC. In this case, facts of the case that company filed application for adjudication of penalty under Section 10 of the Companies Act, and this company is incorporated after commencement of the Company Amendment Act 2019 and having share capital shall not commence any business or exercise any borrowing power. That is the facts of the case. That is the companies not file declaration for the commencement of the business within the prescribed time period and taking borrowing before taking commencement of the business. As per the application filed by the company, it is observed that the company has taken a loan from a cooperative society amounting 10 crore as on January 2022. However, declaration by the director filed on the 14th February 2022 with a delay of 28 days, thereby violating the provision of Section 10A of the Companies Act. This is a legal provision given under adjudication order. This is the Section 10A, subsection 1 and 2. Reference here is given that the company shall not commence any business or exercise any borrowing power unless file a declaration within the prescribed time period with the ROC, and if any default made in the complying with the requirement of this section, the company shall be liable to a penalty of 50,000 rupees, and every officer who is default shall be liable to penalty of 1,000 rupees for each day during which such default continue, what not exceeding an amount of 1 lakh rupees. Here, submission of the company. The applicant company stated that the default was caused inadvertently and unintentionally due to lack of knowledge, and penalty may be imposed upon the company and director as per the Companies Act 2013. So, dear friend, here a company filed application for the adjudication. So, this is the intention prove that the company default was caused inadvertently and unintentionally. Finding and observation. As per the application by the company, it is observed that the company has taken a loan from the cooperative society amounting 10 crore as on 17th January 2022. However, declaration by a director in form INC 20A was filed on 14th February 2022 with a delay of 28 days for violating of the Section 10A of the Companies Act and punishable under Section 10A subsection 2 of the Companies Act. And in order, having considered the facts and circumstances of case and after taking into account the factors above submission of the application, ROC imposed a penalty of 50,000 on the company and 28,000 each of the officer who is in default. That is 1,000 per day penalty on the director. So here on the company, that is 50,000, and on the director 1,000 per day, that is for the 27 days. That is calculated at 27,000 each. There is total penalty 1,04,000. And ROC opinion that the penalty is commensurate with the aforesaid failure committed by the officer of the company. The notices shall pay the said amount through amount of penalty through MCA portal, and proof of the payment be produced for verification within 30 days of receipt of this order. In case failure, then section 454 subsection 8 1 attacked, and where company does not pay the penalty imposed by the adjudicating officer or RD within a period of 90 days from the date of the receipt of the copy order, the company shall be punishable with fine which shall not be less than 25,000 but which may extend to 5 lakh rupees. And where a company whose default does not pay the penalty within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of copy order, such officer shall be punishable with imprisonment which may extend to 6 months or fine which shall not be less than 25,000 but which may extend to 1 lakh rupees or with both. Therefore, in case of the default in payment of penalty, prosecution will be filed under section 454 subsection 8 1 and 2 of the Companies Act at your own cost without any further notice. Here the adjudication order given. Thank you so much for watching this update.